Hi, welcome to Technic Force Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page in WordPress. WordPress is not limited to basic blogs that are purely text-based. As you can see in this example, it's a site that is purely text-based. You can make an interesting, stunning blog or a professional corporate website in WordPress. Let me show you some websites that are based on WordPress, which are really beautiful. If you notice these sites, they look great and they're built using WordPress. The good thing is, you can do the same. In this video, you will learn how to create stunning websites like I showed you. If you haven't set up your blog in WordPress yet, we do have a separate video on how you can set up your own blog, and you may see in the description below to check out that video. Log into your WordPress account. As you can see on the left side are the menus. WordPress gives you two ways to create content, using posts and pages. When starting out, it's difficult to know when you should use a post or a page for creating your content. To help you understand clearly, let's see the difference between a page and a post. WordPress posts have an author, publish date, and a category. Let's take a look at an example post. Good examples of posts are blog posts. As you can see in this post, it displays the author, publish date, and the category this post is included in. WordPress pages do not have an author, publish date, or categories. They are used for static content. Good examples of pages are Contact Us and About Us pages. Let's see an example page. Now let's go to the backend of our WordPress for posts and pages to see the difference. Go to Posts. Let's check out some old posts. Click Edit. As you can see in the center area are the post title and content. You may even format your text, change to headings, change the alignment, make text bold or italic, add hyperlink, and much more. On the right side, you will see the document and blog settings available for posts. Now let's open the Pages menu in another tab, so it's easier to compare. Let's choose an old page and click Edit. This is one of our sample blog page created. In the middle is the page title and the content. On the right side, you can also view the document and blog settings for this page. Let's view a two-column comparison between posts and pages. On the left is the sample post, while on the right is the sample page. Let's compare these document and blog settings for each. Posts have settings that are not available for pages. This includes the categories, tags, excerpt. While in the post attributes, posts only have a setting for a template, while pages do have a parent page, and you may set the order of a page. Let's see the categories. By default, all posts are set under and categorized. You may add a new category to organize your posts by topics. Just click this link, type in the category name, and if you want this new category to be under one of your current categories, just choose the parent category. Then click this button. Now that you have seen the difference of posts from pages, you may now determine when you should use a post or a page in creating your content. Let's get started in creating a new page. Go to Pages and click Add New. You will see this area where you can enter your page title and content. Let's enter the details. When we click this button, we can format the text paragraph, heading, list, add an image. Under Formatting, you may add codes, custom HTML, table, and much more. Under Layout Elements, we may add a button, columns, media and text, and some of the separators. Under Widgets, You may find these shortcode, archives, calendar, categories, latest comments and posts, RSS, search, or tag cloud. You may also embed your social media accounts here. Let's enter the details for this page. Select a featured image. Under discussion, we may allow comments. For page attributes, let's choose default template. Click Publish, then View Page. This is how our sample page looks like in our site. If you want to make some changes, just go back, remove Allow Comments, and the featured image. Now click Update and view the page. Let's go back to page attributes and parent page. As you can see, the parent page here is set to no parent. And going back to the preview of this page, look at the URL. If the page is set to no parent, this page URL will be like this. It means that the navigation of the newly created page is not within a parent page. Let's set it to a parent page. Click Update, then refresh. Now we see that our URL changed from this URL set to no parent to this new one having a new parent page. If you want to add contact forms in our pages, we need to add a plugin for contact forms. Let's search for a plugin, click Install, then Activate. Go to our page, then add the form we installed. Now we've created our contact form. This is how your page looks like in your site. As you may see that this page is not yet added to our upper menu. Let's add it in our upper menu so that it is possible for viewers to click this page. Click Customize, choose Menus, click Add Items. On the pop-up window, you will see the current pages and click the page we just created. By default, it is added at the end of the menus. You may even look at the preview on this side. Now click Publish. We have successfully added a new page in the upper menu. There's another way to create pages for your site with the help of a plugin called Elementor. If you use that plugin, your site can look like this. You can create an elegant professional blog site, a corporate website, create landing pages, or an e-commerce site. First, we need to search for Elementor in our plugins. Click Install, then Activate. Now Elementor is installed and activated in our WordPress, and you may see that Elementor is on the left side of our menus. Let's start adding a page using Elementor. In your WordPress dashboard, you may click New, then choose Page. Or you may click Pages, then Add New. This will direct you to this editor page. As you may see that there is a button here, Edit with Elementor. Before we click this, set the page attribute to Elementor's canvas or full width. As you can see on the left side, we can use these elements to add in our page. Just drag and drop an element to this area. Add a heading. Type in your text. On the left side, you may see the title, link, size of the text, HTML tag, and alignment. When we click Style, we can change the text color, font style, edit the size by dragging this. Now let's add an image and drag it to this area. When you click Choose Image, you can set your chosen image. Then click Insert Media. With image size, you can choose the dimension of your image in your page. Let's set a divider, then a spacer. Drag this to edit the spacer. Now let's add a text editor and enter our details here. Now add a button, then edit the details here. You can choose the type of button by clicking this. The text displayed on the button. Insert a URL to where the viewers will be directed when they click this button. Click the settings icon, choose the Open in New window. Edit the image size, then click Update. Now we have created a sample page in Elementor. Let's go back to our dashboard. View all our pages. This shows all our pages. The sample page we created in Elementor is this page right here. Let's have a quick edit to change its page name. Now click Update. Let's take a look at our site. As you can see that the page we created in Elementor is not yet displayed in our menus. Let's add it in the menu. Click Customize, go to Menus, click this upper menu, add items. Under Pages, choose our newly created page. As you can see in this preview, it's already added here. Now click Publish. As we visit our site, the newly added page is already added in this upper menu. What if you want your newly created page to be a submenu of a parent menu? When you take a look at this menu, it has another submenu that you can view when you place your mouse over this menu. Now let's try to apply this with the page that we created. Click the page you want to be a submenu. Click Customize, then Menus, choose the upper menu. Click the page you want to be a submenu, drag it under its parent menu, and drag it to the right. As you may see in this preview, our page became a submenu of this parent menu. Now click Publish. Let's also edit our home page with Elementor. Click Home. Edit with Elementor. Click this icon to add a new template. You will see a new pop-up window and click Blocks. Choose a template, then click Insert. You may now edit your text here. Now that the template has been added to this page, let's add another template. Choose Pages, select a page sample that we like, then click Insert. Now it's added to our page. You may edit each section with the text that needs to be replaced. Once you're done, click Update. To view your created page, click the eye icon. Now you can make stunning pages and content in your WordPress site. That is how you can create pages in your WordPress account. Using an add-on plugin like Elementor, you can help your site to easily create additional content with professional-looking designs. We do have a separate video on how you can find more free plugins for your site, and you can access the link in the description below. Make sure you watch it. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to get more learning videos. If you have questions, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
You may visit our website at technicforce.com. We create cutting-edge internet marketing tools to help make you a successful internet marketer, including video marketing tools, social media marketing, email marketing tools, SEO, e-commerce tools, and WordPress internet marketing plugins. Check us out!